Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn about what is order flow. Order flow is the first step to identifying the POI. POI means the price of interest when we can take decision for the buy and sell, and a specific area when we are looking for the buy and sell. So what is a order flow? Order flow means last buying momentum before this drop, or you can say last selling momentum before this upside move. That's called order flow. Order flow, order block, IFC, there are different scenario when we are looking for the buys and sell. These are all called POI, price of interest. As we know, order flow is the first unit of to identification POI. So how it looks like and how we can identify on your chart, let me show you exactly on chart, then you can understand clearly. So first of all, you have to understand if market is a bullish, then you have to identify last selling move before this upside move. If market is a bearish, then you have to identify last buying momentum before this drop. So those area is called our order flow, and main thing you have to identify those order flow is a mitigated or not. Now let's see how we can identify and what criteria you have to follow before to marking the POI, you can say is a order flow. So let's see, this is a live example is here, and this is a live market in a GBP USD, and this is our bearish momentum and this become our bullish momentum. So how we can identify order flow? Order flow is a very simple and clean and easy to understand. To identification of order flow is a very clear to identification order flow is a very easy to understand way. So let me show you exactly that how you can mark here, okay? Because this one is our highest move before this drop, and you can see here at this point where is our last buying momentum before the stop in this case. So this move is our last buying momentum before this stop. So we can extend here something like this. Then what happened here? Market push downside and mitigate this order flow, and then market push downside. So in next attempt, what happened here? Market break the previous low. Which one is here? I'm not talking about the structure mapping. I'm just showing you that how it looks like in a bearish market. So in this case, where is our order flow? In this leg, you have to identify where is our buying momentum, this one and this one. So this is our last buying momentum before the stop. You have to expand like this, okay? You can see this larger candle break this low. So it means this create a bearish order flow is here. In next attempt, what happened? This pullback mitigate this order flow, and then what happened? Market push downside. And one more thing you have to understand, if first order flow is here mitigate by this move, you can't use in a next attempt. Why? Only one order flow use only one time. But if you don't have any unmitigated order flow but you are looking for the entry, then you have to refine those order flow into order block, okay? Because order block is a part of the order flow, but those conditions depend on some situation. Now let's see what happened next here. After this move, market again push downside, market take a small pullback is here, right? But this is not a valid pullback, as we know, because market not break the previous candle high, market pushing downside, and this is our single leg move is here. But at this point, what happened here? Market create a valid pullback here. So where is our pullback? This one, right? So this is our unmitigated order flow. It means what happened here? Market break this low, and then market must be fill this order flow, then we can take decision for the sell. But market not tap here, and this become our unmitigated order flow, and market can be fill this order flow in upcoming moves. And after this one, what happened here? Just below it, you can see here this become our next pullback is here at this point. But look at this one, this is a valid pullback or not? Ask yourself, this is not a valid pullback, as we know, we have learned in a part 1, because this candle high is not broken by this move, and this candle low is protected here. So this is not a valid pullback, and this is our single leg move here still. And then what happened here? After this one, what happened here? This candle low is here, and the next candle broke by this one, and this become our valid pullback. So this is our valid order flow which is here. So at this point, what happened? Market mitigate this order flow, and then market push downside. But you have to remember one more thing, just below it you have to see, just below it you can see here this low is here and high is here. If you expand something like this, you can see break this low and go higher and mitigate this order flow and push downside. But this is not a break of structure, because just break the previous low and sweep this low. But it's not about entry and structure mapping. It's all about to identification of PU. It's all about identification order flow. So this is a definition that how we can identify a bearish order flow. You have to identify in a bearish market last buying momentum before this drop. Okay, but you have to remember market must be break the previous major low to confirm a valid order flow. In this case, same thing happened here. This was our last buying momentum before this drop, which was here, right? But if you expand here something like this, you can see market push downside and then market mitigate this unmitigated order flow, again push downside. You can see one more order flow is here. This is our last buying momentum before this drop. At this point, if this candle taken out the previous candle low, which one is here, something like this, so this become our refined order flow, something like this, because this is a small pullback here and then push upside, right? But market not create any valid pullback is here, so we can expand something like this. So this is our entire bearish order flow. Okay, and this one is also bearish order flow, because this one is our valid pullback. You have to identify where is our valid pullback. Those valid pullback is our order flow, but those order flow must be unmitigated is here. So same thing in the next attempt, what happened here, market break the previous low, which one is here. After break this low, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order flow, or you can say where is our unmitigated pullback. In terms of the bearish market, first of all you have to check top to bottom, because market momentum is a bearish. So first of all, look at this one. So this one is our last buying momentum before this top, which one is here, right? At this point, market not mitigate this order flow, correct? But this is a not valid entry, because market not break the previous low, so we can't take entry here. But this supply tap here, then we can take this entry, which will be covered in entry taps, then when and where we should take entry in a lower time frame, in a higher time frame. This video is all about order flow identification. Okay, in the next attempt, what happened here, market create another pullback, which one is here, and this one is also unmitigated order flow. Just below it, you can see one more order flow, which one is here, and this one is also, you can see in this leg, you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 order flow, which one are unmitigated. There is no mitigated order flow. So market must be taken out the at least first order flow, okay, and then market push downside. But at this point, what happened here, market turn bearish to bullish at this point and then shift into bullish side. So you have to identify bullish order flow. In a bullish order flow, same thing will be applied. Last selling move before the buy side. After break the structure, you can see here, let's mark the first last selling move before the buy, which one is here, and this one is here, which is mitigated by this move. Okay, the next attempt, what happened here, where is our next order flow, which one is here, which is already mitigated here, and this one is here, and this move is mitigated by this move, correct? So this is happening here in a bullish market. Market momentum is a bullish, and market must be tapped on your unmitigated order flow to continue go higher. Market break the previous high, which one is here. After break the previous high, you have to identify where is our last selling move before the buy. So first move was here, right, and this was internal move, and you can see in the next attempt this bearish candle mitigate this order flow, which one is here, right? So these order flow all mitigated here, and the one order block is here. So in this leg, only two order flow is still left, which is unmitigated. First one is here, right, and the next one is here, and extreme always high probability for the buy, right? But it's not about identification, but this is not all about entry types. This is I'm just showing you that how you can identify valid and invalid order flow, because this is a first unit to identification POI, and after that we will learn about order block. Order block is a refined version of the order flow. As we know, market in this case, as we know, market momentum was bullish and turn into bearish, and now we are looking for buy at least this order flow, right? So price can be take a short term downside move at this point. So this one is our last selling move at this point. This is our last buying momentum before the stop. Market push downside, mitigate this order flow by this move. Again, what happened here, market break this low and create new order flow, and mitigate this one and push downside. Same thing happen here. Market mitigate this order flow and push downside. Again, if market break this low, which one is here, and then market creates something is here, then we can see again order flow, and market must be mitigate this one, something like this, and push downside. Okay, and at this point, if market hold this zone, and then we can buy here like this, but it's depend on the situation, and this is a correct way to identification order flow in a bearish market, in a bullish market, and these things applicable in every pair, every time frame. It doesn't matter that which time frame you are looking for identification order flow. You can identify order flow in a higher time frame and lower time frame. You can also take entry based on the order flow, but when you are looking for the entry based on the order flow, then your risk reward will be decreased. Why? Because order flow take a very larger stop loss, and order block take a small stop loss. That's why order block create a big RR and order flow create a small RR, and this is a simple way to identification order flow. First of all, you have to identify where is our trend. If market is a bearish, then you have to identify, wait for break the previous major low, break the previous low, then you have to identify where is our recent last buying momentum before this top in a bearish market. Same thing will be applicable in a bullish market. If market momentum is a bullish and break the previous high, then you have to identify last selling momentum, then you have to identify last selling momentum before the buy, then mark those zone, and then you can react on this place in lower time frame and then buy or sell as per your plan. So this is a quick way to identification order flow. I hope you understand a lot of new thing in this chapter. You can rewatch this chapter multiple times, and I will see you in the next chapter. Happy trading.